Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you how we can install Brew on your system. So Brew is a package manager for macOS as well as the Linux. So you'll have to go to this website brew.sh. Okay, this is the official website of Brew, and in here you can see the command. So I'm going to copy this command. Okay, I'm going to now go to the terminal. Now inside this terminal I'm going to paste the command I just copied and press enter. Now it's going to take a while to download it, so it's asking me for the password. Let me enter the password. Now it's asking me to install all of these files, so I'm going to press enter again. Now it's going to download and install it, so it might take a while depending upon your internet connection. Now that it has installed Brew, well, it's given me the warning here saying this path is not in your path. So I'll have to actually, write this as a path in our bashrc or zshrc file. So if you are using the latest version of the Mac, you have something called zshrc file, or if you're using the older version, so you have bashrc. So let's open that file. So in my case, it is this zshrc. So for some of you, it could be bashrc. Okay, so I'm going to open this, and here I'll have to export this specific path. So at the end I'm going to write the command export. Okay, let's create a variable name called path, okay, equal to this specific path. So I'm going to copy this path. Now I'm going to go back and paste it here, and then write $$ path. Okay, so let's save it. Now it's done. There we go. Now to make sure that it has been installed, I can write which Brew. Well, it's saying Brew not found. This is because I'll have to restart my terminal. Okay, I'm gonna open it again, and now if I say which Brew, there we go. The Brew has been installed in this specific path. Now next time when you need to install anything with the help of Brew, we could actually install those things. For example, if I want to install, let's say, the grep, I can write Brew install grep, and this is going to install the grep, and there we go. So this is all I've got in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.